want to get half off of college, half off of your taxes, half off your long-term care, you can do it. Hey, Paul Morrow, Smart Financial, you can get your college at half off, especially if you work at a great college planning company and you do some planning in advance. You can get your long-term care bills at half off if you use the right type of insurance products that you can pay $300,000 to get $600,000 in long-term care. And you can get half off of your Roth IRA conversion tax bill by using the right financial products that out of a $400,000 tax bill, they'll pay $200,000 of it. Okay, this is all the best in the world of discounts. And it's part of what's in my ebook, Roth Conversion Magic Tricks. It's basically a 99-cent download ebook that's a short course in getting the big picture on what's out there right now. It's the 10 reasons why people are doing Roth conversions and the 7 ways they pay taxes. It's a really good framework for you to start thinking about what's most important to you, whether you do a Roth because you want to take care of long-term care, you do a Roth because perhaps you're doing estate planning, you do a Roth because you really hate paying income taxes. There's a lot of great reasons to do a Roth IRA conversion, especially right now. So if you're interested in getting half off of big bills like college, long-term care, and Roth IRA conversion, you should start by downloading our 99-cent ebook called Roth Magic Tricks. Subscribe to the channel. By the way, share this with anybody who's over 55 years old, right? Leave us comments and questions below. And if you download the book and you have more detailed questions about your personal situation, you can actually, as a book downloader, get a 20-minute free personal consultation, a little coaching session on what might be best for you for doing Roth conversions, right? So those coaching sessions are free. The book is 99 cents. It's probably the best 99 cents you'll spend on saving taxes on the 3 big bills of your life: college expenses, long-term care, and IRA taxes. So I'm Paul Morrow. This is Smart Financial. Everybody wants the best, but nobody wants to pay retail. So we can help you cut the cost of these big expenses in half. That's our goal here. So reach out to us. As I said, click on the link in the caption below, download the book, and get in line for a 20-minute free personal consultation, a little coaching session on what might be best for you for Roth IRA conversions in this time in history. Staying on top of how you can cut big bills in half, that's just part of the art of being smart.